By now you already know that this channel is for you, not because of me, but because of how this channel makes you think. Today's video is not a tutorial, it's a checkpoint, a moment to decide whether you continue consuming or start applying. Here's something most people won't admit. They don't fail because they lack information. They fail because they keep postponing commitment. They stay in learning mode because it feels productive without being risky. But nothing changes there. So what is the real cost of staying unstructured? Let me tell you what staying unstructured actually costs. Not money, not time, but years of scattered effort, projects started and abandoned, confidence slowly leaking. You don't notice it daily, but you notice it when you look back. That's the danger. So here's a recap of the system. Over the last 2 weeks, I've shown you a system, not a formula. A way to decide once, repeat intelligently, and build leverage. Save works because it reduces decision fatigue, and when decision disappears, execution becomes easier. If you watch more than 2 videos from this channel and you're still not subscribed, that's a signal. Not for me, but for you. So subscribe, not because you like me, but because this information builds in sequence. Now let me address the obvious question. Yes, I've packaged this system not as a motivation, not as a theory, but as a clear step-by-step structure you can follow without overthinking. It's for people who want less chaos and more direction. That's it. You might be thinking, I can figure it out myself. Now is not the right time, or even let me watch a few more videos. The truth is that you can, but ask yourself honestly, how long have you been saying that? This is for builders, professionals, and people tired of restarting. It's not for spectators, shortcut chasers, and people who need motivation to act. Clarity beats hype every time. I'm not here to convince you. If this system solves a problem you actually have, you'll take action. The link is available when you are ready. Subscribe if you want to continue this journey, and if not, at least stop lying to yourself about someday. So it's time to take action. So it's either now or never. I'll see the builders in the next video. So subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button.